Rob. Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don914 here to bring you another sneaker review. This review, I haven't seen too many reviews of this shoe online, and I was even questionable whether I wanted this shoe or not, but it took me back to my golden rule. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know what my golden rule is: never judge a sneak or discount a sneak until you see them in hand or on foot. So I decided to pull the trigger. There was only like $1.15 on the sneakers app. They have since sold out, but I figured, you know, they're one of my favorite colors, you know, black. I've been wearing a lot of black lately, so black, gray, and white, you know, and red is my favorite color, but I do love my black, gray, and white. Of course, Raider Nation, you know, I'm an avid Raiders fan, so you know how that goes. So let me go ahead and unbox the shoe. And like I said, there's not too many reviews of this shoe online right now. So I figured, let me go ahead and give you my thoughts and opinion on the shoe and kind of just break it down and go from there. So, of course, it comes in this Nike. You get the purple box this time, the Nike SB Dunk purple box. You guys seen this box before, you know what the brands are, you know, on the sides and, you know, on the bottom, things of that nature. So, of course, I went with a size 10. You know, I go true to size. Sorry, not true to size, but I go down a half a size in my Nike SB Dunks. And here's the sizing tag right here. And the sizing tag reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, dark smoke gray, black smoke gray. Of course, you get the classic Nike SB Dunk green and white paper. That should come in your box. Inside the box, you do get a green sticker right there. And yeah, right there you get your box sizing and dimensions right there. Cool. That's it for the box. Now let's get into the kit. What you should get in your box is that Nike SB Dunk sticker as well. So these are cool. I have yet to use one of these, but these are definitely cool. Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, dark smoke gray. Let's jump right into it. So on the bottom of the shoe, you get that gum sole with that black Nike, I'm sorry, that's not even black, that's gray, with your gray Nike SB Dunk right there in the middle of the shoe. See here, I love that gum bottom too. That gum bottom just pops on the shoe. Let's move to the upper of the shoe. Of course, you got that, again, gum bottom, your midsole. It's not like a white midsole. It's kind of like a, I wouldn't even say sail. It's got like a grayish tone to it for some reason. I don't know if it's just my eyes, but let me know if you're seeing that too. You got that on the midsole. Moving to the upper of the shoe, you got the black side panel right there. And this is all nubuck and suede, pretty much all suede. No nubuck really on the shoe. It's just all suede. You got smooth and rough suede on the shoe. So you got your black Nike swoosh right there on the upper of the shoe, and that swoosh is in leather. That's a leather swoosh. And you got your gray toe cap coming around the front of the shoe, and that hairy suede. You got like some gray laces, and I think they came with extra laces, and we'll get into that in a second. And you got your gray SB fat rope laces right here on the tongue. You got your Nike SB in that black with the gray background. Underneath it says Dunk Low Pro underneath. Back tab, black on the back of the tongue with your gray back tab. Let me see if there's something underneath. Nah, there's nothing underneath the tag on the bottom. All black fat tongue going down the middle of the shoe. These are clean, man, as I'm looking at them. Back of the heel, you got your black Nike on that gray. Gray on the bottom of the heel, and in the middle of the heel, you got that black suede right there. These are fire, man. I do like them now that I see them in hand. And the insole, let's see here. You got shoe paper, of course. Black insole. You have your Nike SB brand in there. And right there, it should say Air Zoom. And that's that zoom pad that's in here. And with that Nike Air Zoom AirPod you got in the heel of the shoe, they are very, very comfortable. And I do like SBs for that reason alone, man. They just feel better than the regular Dunk. And rightfully so, because they're SBs, a skateboard shoe, so it's supposed to be comfort involved in the shoe. But yeah, so that's the shoe. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. I'm definitely gonna throw these on feet. Of the reviews I've seen, I didn't really see anybody really throw these on feet like that, so I'm definitely gonna throw them on feet so that it'll give you a better idea if you wanna cop the shoe or not. They're not going too much on the secondary market, so they should be relatively affordable, and they may restock before the end of the year. You never know, or in the beginning of the year. A lot of these SBs have been restocking. So the right shoe is the same as the left shoe. I just wanted to show you one thing, that it does come with an extra pair of black laces. So as you can see that. And I think what I'm gonna do is throw the black laces in. I think the black laces are gonna look better than these gray laces, in my opinion. You can see it's a nice dark black. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm actually throw those in, put them on feet, and give you a look at what they look like with those black laces in there. So yeah, so that's the shoe. Again, comment down below. Tell me what you think about the shoe. You think these are clean, or they're just another black and gray shoe? I think they're clean. I think these are worth a cop. They was only $1.15 if you can get them for retail. If not, I think this size 10 was probably going for like $150 or so. So yeah, hey, again, it's the holidays. Put them on your Christmas list. Say if fam, go ahead and cop them for you. You know, look out. So, and for me, you know, these are very easy to style for me. You know, of course, I'm a Raider fan again. So I'm going with the Raiders hat, going with the all black Raiders OVO hoodies, October very own. And I'm going with some black jeans. I'm just gonna black it all out with the Raiders gear. And that's how I'm gonna go ahead and style these shoes. So if it's first time tuning into the channel, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you can be notified when I drop new videos. And I appreciate all the support. We're gonna go ahead and hit you with that on foot. And until the next cop, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rock man enough.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.